Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to fix the fall if you have no liquid coming out of your Dolce Gusto Mini Me. For the purpose of this video I'm going to be laying on its side to make it easier to film, but you will find this easier if you just keep it upright. It will save you emptying everything out and you can just clean the nozzle from underneath. So I'm just going to take off the water tank at the back. I'm going to take off this here and we're going to open it up, take out this and also the capsule as well. And basically we have a little injector just here, and if you look at the back of your machine they will give you a little needle to clean that out with. So behind the water tank at the back you will see it's just here. Pull it out and this is it just here. Now obviously make sure you are unplugged when you're doing this. So we're going to get this little needle and we're going to be putting it into the injector. Be careful you don't cut yourself, that is sharp. And just put it in there like so. And you can see now I'm just cleaning out the injector. So you might find that it got a little bit of blocks with a little bit of lime scale, maybe you haven't used it in a while. But hopefully by doing that, that will then fix the problem of the liquid not coming out. You can store this again back in here. Like so. It pushes about halfway in, and then we can put the water tank back on, and then hopefully you'll find that water will start coming out again. Thanks for watching.